Hi, I'm Gavin from www.dynaform.net, and today I'll be showing you what's new in this MobiText release. The first look at it, you see the start screen. And what we did with the start screen was we made it to be fast so you can get to what you want to faster. And we embraced Microsoft's tile and Metro look. But unlike Microsoft, you can use MobiText without any issues should you choose to avoid Metro. There's an option to disable the Metro start screen, which is this little checkbox right here, and if you check it and close it, will never appear again. So going through here, we wanted it to be fast and simple. If you're a new user and you want to say, how do I open a file? In the tasks, all you do is click open a file and you open the file of your choosing. And it'll close the start screen. And if you want to ever get back to the start screen, all you do is click this little start button right under the main items next to the themes. On the side, we gave it a web document that we can edit, and we might say an update or something just so you're on top of the ball with it. We go under text tools, not much has changed. Under insert, we gave this a whole new custom characters. Now, you'll see this horseshoe thing when you put your mouse over it. With all these icons, all you do is, from our selection, all you do is click on them. Say we want this trademark. All you do is click on it, and it'll copy it to your clipboard. You just copy it to wherever you like. And if that's not a big enough character selection for you, all you do is click the horseshoe, and you have 240 more to pick from. You go through and look through here and see if there's something you want. Go ahead and close out of there. And that's very cool, something fast and easy. Our speech, you will have the play, pause, and stop controls. You have your volume, you have your speed, and you have your voice. Windows XP has 2 voices, Windows 7 has 1, and Windows 8 has 2. So you can kind of pick through who you'd like to read your document for you. Under our rulers, we have a hide or show. And these rulers go by inches, so you can kind of measure out your document. Something that we think will be a really productive feature is opacity. You can go ahead and change this to 50, and you can see straight through your document. And if you're watching something like our ATEX PPAC video, go ahead and skip back here. All you do is move over where it's at, and you can go full screen here. You can type in whatever you like. Something very cool if you want to kind of multitask and do some text editing or processing while you're watching a video. Go ahead and change that back to 100 and make it back to normal size. Minimize that. Now we gave the text search a new Metro look, so find. So let's say we want to find report. Go ahead and find it. We can replace it with SA. Replace. It replaces it with SA. On our doc color, this changes the white background, so you can change it to whatever color you like. Make the document stand out. Go ahead and change that back to white. Under help, you have more of the themes, and the default right now is the Metro red, but you can still go back to your black, blue, silver, Metro, Windows XP, Windows 7, Visual Studio, and more of these colors. The help, all you do is click on the help and it'll load up a help menu. You still have to update this, but you can press F1 and that'll take you straight to the help as well. We have our About MobiText, and like the Find and Replace menu, looking the same way. We gave it a nice new look with the name of the product and the icon, along with the year of it being copyrighted and the build number. We have the build number by the dates, and we also have the version number. They say January 22nd right here, but it might be a little bit sooner on that, depending on timing. You have your legal notices here. You can read through those if you like. And then you have your close. You go back over here and you still have your document style for widescreen or with the borders on the side. Go ahead and do the update check. And this is very cool. If you want an update to the latest version and you don't want to go to our site and download it yourself, all you have to do is let this do its thing. It'll download the update installer exe, and all you do is run that exe. It'll start downloading. might be a little bit slow right now. And if it doesn't start, you can either retry the download or you can manually update, and the manually update will take you back to our website, and you can go download the new updater from there, either from our server or a third. You also have a nice little animation here to look at while it's downloading. Go ahead and close out of there. And if you're wondering where that file would be at, it'd be right here at MobiText update. All you do is run that file if something happened. And something we did is we gave it back an original file menu. And in here you can choose the new document or tab. You can open the document, save, either a notepad file, advanced file, or a PDF file. Under print, you have your print and print preview. You can go ahead and make that bigger and look through, see how it's all gonna look, and close that. You have your help, you have a close, you have a little about button, and you even have a quick launch to the start screen, which will take you right back to here. So that's pretty much going over MobiText, and I hope you guys all enjoy this look at it and download it when it comes available.